Hello, I'm Sara Preston, integrative health practitioner and menopause and fat loss certified coach. And my passion is helping women, especially in their 40s and 50s, to really feel your best and thrive, not just survive through this time of life. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about cortisol. Did you know that how you start your morning can set the tone for your whole day? For many of us women over 40, I'm 47, almost 48, mornings can feel overwhelming with stress and that to-do list taking over the minute that you open your eyes. And this happens partly because your body naturally releases cortisol, the stress hormone, to help you wake up. But when those levels get too high or they stay elevated, they can leave you feeling frazzled and out of balance and overwhelmed. But in today's video, I'm going to share an easy and refreshing morning routine to help you feel calm and centered and ready to take on the day, all while keeping your cortisol levels in check. So the first thing is try to wake up without a crazy alarm, that beep, 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 beep. Try to have something that is more soothing, maybe some music, so it doesn't just jolt you out of bed, okay? And then I want you to do without your phone for the first hour. I know that's hard. I am total victim to that as well. Pick up your phone right away. At least try for 30 minutes of no phone the minute that you wake up. We don't need all these notifications just going off and all of this running around the minute that we wake up. Okay, so try for that. Within 30 minutes to an hour of waking up, I want you to eat something, even if it's something small. This will take you out of that fight or flight and start to nourish your body. And then the next thing is that you need to get outside for morning sunlight. Even if it's not sunny, it's not always sunny here, getting outside, getting sunlight, even when it's cloudy, on your eyeballs helps you to regulate that circadian rhythm, and it really helps with your cortisol as well. So bonus is if you can do some grounding while you're out there, walking around bare feet in the grass. And I'm not doing that when it's snowing, but you can touch a tree, anything that's planted into the ground. Or if you can get a walk in, walks outside in nature, especially in the early morning, within an hour of the sun rising, and then take 15 minutes for yourself. Come back in, sit down, do some breath work, do some prayer. You can do some somatic exercises. You can journal, anything to really just set you up for a calm entry into your day. And then if you are a coffee or a matcha drinker, try to do mostly decaf. I do a 2/3 decaf, 1/3 caffeine. Try to do that if you can. Having less caffeine is really going to help you, or having a matcha, which also contains L-theanine, which can really help blunt that cortisol response. And so then you can have your coffee as you're kind of finishing up your quiet time, your relaxation, meditation, whatever it is that you're doing. So just a quick recap: wake up without a harsh alarm, no phone the first 30 minutes, eat something, get outside for some sunlight. Grounding and a walk is even more preferred. 10 to 15 minutes of prayer, breath work, meditation, quiet time, journaling, and then your coffee or your matcha if you prefer. So please let me know if you have any questions or if this was helpful. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you next time.